Mbanya we mwega ni ndona urari na giikaro ira na urari na giikaro haria haku, and you said a lot of things ya kwamba umeambiwa na watu wengi sana walinitag because of what I posted last week. Walikuwa wanataka niige kwa hiyo story. I'm sorry sikuweza kuingia maana sikuwa na stima. Kenya Power please mtupe stima. Nikiona igwa kwina generator in my background. Nao nasikia kuna waibaji ambao waliweza kujitokeza na kuongea maneno kwa Banya. Ini no gumwirati riri hinga icio ni ciagirwo ni gukira. Reki andu mathi na move on. The reason why mulinyamasa when it mattered most, let it be the reason why munyamasa sahi. Ayako ni murakiririe kanua kau hindi iria kwari na bata wa kwaria. Mutikarie tha ici, mutigoke mugi complainaga tutinacokerio ngatho anga tutinekirwo atia. That is none. Don't even tell us what was happening. Don't even tell us what happened. Because if you kept quiet then, your silence betrayed her. And your silence betrayed her when it mattered. It doesn't matter anymore. Koguo tafadhali, rucio rwa ciana ni rwa Ngai. Let people move on. Like ona inyu ni mugathie and your colleagues will still keep quiet the same way you kept quiet. Ona koro you are ha oxygen alpha na omega kana do. Even if you are sijui what at the closest kana closest. Agekoro ni wakirire when it mattered most. You are not making any sense when you speak now. Yes, I know what I spoke. I never apologized. Those who know me, they know I don't speak out of nothing. Yes, but I spoke at least when it mattered. So please, for now, tumia imethigeno, tumia ikanwa higaishi, you are not any better. Na mutumie, yes, when it mattered, mulinyamasa, hata saisi munyamasa. I'm sorry Banya, na ndoe mago kuigiria mathina ini maige, marenda orwe haroshi yao matirenda kugwetwo. I know and I believe what you're saying. I know I may even know who spoke to you, but nimakirie kanua kau, nimakirire when it mattered. Tutigetwe guku andu atheru na tuihinga cia ngoma. Nimatumie tunua tuu ainia matuini, ainia gutwara andu kwa ngoma.